Whoa, you found that one? That is super cool. What's up, guys? Today we're in Chute Pond, Mountain, Wisconsin. Here's my cousin Ben, Dawson, Sam, and Owen over here. We got Christy over here on the kayak. It's hot out, but we're gonna find some stuff in the river here. Can't wait to show you what we found. Let's get it. Just found your first bottle. Nice. Good find. Chuck it in. A chunk of rusty metal. Don't want to step on that in the river. Sweet. Found some sunglasses. Oakley's. What? Gas can made in USA.
Broken bobber. That's Sprite.
Got a bottle and a glass.
Sweet. Look at that cool piece. That's pretty heavy duty. First sock. Someone probably used this to wipe their butt. Now it's in the river. You guys are getting all kinds of stuff. Looks like someone else is trying to dive out here. Detroit Pistons. This is an exciting area. Piece of a toy, huh? Chunk of someone's shoe. Nice finds. It's that knee-high beverages and a Coke. Yeah, you got a lure there. That's gonna be interesting to open up later.
Yeah. You got a pity bottle?
They're over there by my anchor.
I love it when you do that.
There's one right here, actually.
Oh, it's old too.
Yeah, it's a green one.
It is.
You're welcome. Yeah, there's a muskie out here. Here's a pot.
Really?
That is an
Put it on
old.
a log and you turn.
That's an old peavy.
Old.
Nice. That was really good shape.
That's awesome. You put it on a log and it.
That's souvenir.
log.
Yeah, that's a souvenir right there for you. I've never seen one in such a good shape. That is a good souvenir right there. Good job, Benny. Yeah. Coca-Cola, baby. Green Bay, Wisconsin. Look at that little guy. Little brownie. There's a big chunk of plastic. Something plastic.
Something cool.
Garbage. P. Schwartz and Bart, Manitowoc, Wisconsin. Arbutus. Wow. Awesome finds. Alright, see that in there. E.R. Durkee, New York. Nice. I can't believe how many bottles are over here. Oh. Northland bottle, fingernail clippers. Should find all kinds of stuff over here, huh? Nice. Liquid Aloha. Me neither. I got a milk jar. We're really loading up this kayak. Wow. Yeah, I'll be right there. Found a nice insulator there.
Okay.
Another Coke. Oshkosh. You got two of them.
Need gloves, eh?
Yeah, I'm peeing right now. Whiskey one.
Apple.
Oh, iPhone. Nice find, Ben. Ben's first phone. Hope the kayak doesn't tip over. That is a really cool jug right there. Good job. A Pepsi Cola bottle. Got a milk bottle. Bowman Dairy on. We just saw the Bowman Dairy. Chicago, Illinois.
I want to find a milk jug.
Oh yeah. Good finds. I can't believe how much we found since there to here. Unbelievable. You could probably come down again and find the same amount of stuff. Whoa, you found that one? That is super cool.
I never thought in a million years we'd find this many bottles.
Another Gillette. Found a trap.
Oh,
Well, this is where everybody's losing their shoes apparently.
Must have been rough for it.
Yeah. Prescription glasses, eh? There you go, a Gerber jar.
Who's a big girl?
Just got done diving in the Oconto River, coming out of Chute Pond. Went in the river and it's got a lot of stuff. Where's your phone at, Ben?
Right here. Oh, just got a hook in the finger. Get that on video? Yeah, I'm okay. Oh, that's in there though. I got it.
There you go. And you think it's rice still inside the case?
I'm not sure. Apple phone though. Someone lost it on the river.
We got a lot of other stuff here. We're gonna lay it all out and show you what we got. You guys have fun?
Yes.
Awesome. Just got everything laid out on the ground here. Check out what we got. This is all the stuff that we pulled out of here today. A lot of bottles and some other cool stuff. What you got there, Ben?
Oh, I got an old logging PV right here that I found in the water. Saw this sticking out and then saw this little hook and grabbed it.
Wow, good
Praise
find.
the Lord.
Yeah.
I was just praying 2 seconds earlier and then this popped up. So,
wow.
Pretty cool.
And you also found this cell phone right here. It looks like an iPhone, and that was a great find. It looks like it's waterproof, so we'll try to get this working and back to the owner. What you got there, Owen?
Old bottle that I found with a cap on it.
That is a neat find, man. Good job. And what'd you find there?
Found a golf ball.
That's pretty cool.
I found a huge grill cover.
Nice.
It's pretty heavy pickup.
You gonna bring that back to Alaska and use it? No. This one says Shawano Specialty Co., Shawano, Wisconsin. Pepsi Cola right there. Found several Coca-Cola bottles. This one's from Green Bay. There's another one from Manitowoc and Oshkosh. Really neat find right here. This Bowman Dairy Company out of Chicago, Illinois. Found a trap there. Northland Bottling right there. Pulaski Soda Works right here from Pulaski, Wisconsin. Pabst Milwaukee. Gillette Bottling right there. Crandon Bottling Works from Crandon, Wisconsin. Christy found that neat green one right there. Ben found an insulator, a shirt that says Oconto Falls Football, Detroit Pistons, a couple shoes here, found somebody's Oakleys, and some prescription glasses. A lot of litter in the river, broken glass, aluminum cans, tin cans, plastic. Glad we can get out of the water. We had a great dive, thanks to the help of Ben, Christy, Dawson, Sam, and Owen. We were able to clean all this trash out of here, so it made a big difference in the river today by Chute Pond County Park in Oconto County.
Awesome time. Thanks, Ed.
Very fun.
It's really fun. Amazing.
Great to be back at Chute Pond.
Always wear water shoes when you're enjoying a float trip down the river.